Hi, and thanks for joining me today. It sounds strange, doesn't it? Going backwards to go forwards. But going forwards is about changing how you develop training and supporting people at the time and place of now. Now, I come from the classical school of ADDIE, where instructional design has curriculum driving the process. Work with a SME, identify content, develop the lessons and modules, select some media, and then add in assessments. But with my focus on impacting performance, especially in the flow of work, it's time to go backwards. Backwards design begins with three questions. First, how do you define success? Second, how does the business measure success? And finally, how do you create the path to that defined success? So let's start with the end in mind. What does success look like to a coworker, to the end users or customers, to the organization? Define what success looks like. Describe how people demonstrate success in terms of mastery and proficiency. Next, how does the organization measure success? This is an important step for two reasons. First, you have to know what to measure, and that metric must relate to determining if the person will be successful in the performance of their role. So if you know the quality metric that's being used to evaluate people performing in the role, you can create accurate and authentic assessments. Now, the second reason measuring success matters is because this is how you can measure the ROL, the return on learning. Knowing what the metric scores were before you implemented a learning solution and being able to track and trend those metrics through and post implementation allows you to demonstrate the impact your work has on the organization. Now, finally, the last step to going backwards is to create success. You know what it takes and how it's measured, so you can identify what materials are needed to meet this defined level of success. You can create learning experiences that allow people to merge concepts and content in the context of the work using both skills and competencies. Key to going forwards is developing the assessments up front. They drive the curriculum development. So design a connection between new and existing knowledge, skills, and experiences. Focus on performing and solving real-world problems. And design content and assessments in small segments to allow people to build on success and demonstrate their increasing levels of proficiency. And you have gone backwards while moving people forwards. If you'd like to learn how to implement and use backwards design in your development process, as well as how to use learning as a strategic business tool, send me an email or give me a call and let's talk. Thanks for joining and have a great day.